The battery had a bad cell, so she's only getting 9 volts even with the jumper on it. Oh, smish! We might want to check the oil. So here's where we're at, guys. If you got something that's fuel injected, and you got something you're having to jump, that gas smells bad, and you got something you're having to jump start, well then chances are, so your fuel pump's just not going to work right. Your injector's not going to work right. Even if it is working for a second, you might be riding it, it's going to die every now and then, you're going to be able to fire it back up. Lots of people go to replacing fuel pumps or injectors or computers, recidifiers, voltage regulators, all because their battery was bad in the first place. So I mean, come on. This thing, the fuel pump wouldn't work. We got it from a pretty good mechanic, and he was convinced something was wrong with the injector. And nearest we could tell is because it's only getting 9 volts. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, we tested it. It was getting 9. We tested the battery. It only had 9, even with the charger on it. So then we pretty much just assumed that the battery has a bad cell at that point. So now we got all the bad fuel out, as it's a couple years old. We're going to put fresh fuel in. Hopefully she'll be a ripper. Hey, you're right. That should have been our first clue. It wouldn't even power the fucking display.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you guys. Now, I haven't had the pleasure of being in such a Cadillac of a machine yet, but the Knight 500, let me just tell y'all about it's a Knight 500. Knigget, wait.
It'd be funny if they spelled it wrong.
That makes a f sound, right? It's the Fight 500. Yeah, KN makes KN is a f sound. So the Fight 500. Oh man! First of all, we're talking low hours, and it's got I checked. All the wheels have all the lug nuts on them.
That's how you know it's low hours.
Oh, I know, dude. That's pretty much the Hyman on the tire.
Yeah.
And it ain't even been popped. So she's got low hours on her. Pretty much just self-care. Yeah. Dude, got the blinkers integrated into the bumper.
Right here. These are like projector.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That was like $500.
Yeah, if you could switch out the lenses, they got the middle finger one and the Playboy bunny, and it just shines it on the wall. Honestly, we ain't even cleaned it yet. We're gonna shine this up. Here, we got a little linseed oil right here. You got a little rag. Show them. Just do a little. Just pour, start split. Yeah, just
now we're gonna drive it off.
Yeah. Now we just gotta hit the brakes and the gas a lot.
Get the leaf blower. Drive it off.
So we got this thing not running yesterday, and it needed a battery and some other stuff. But look at here. We're gonna put the shine on her. And that didn't do much.
Armor all.
We're gonna armor all. Look at that shine there, boys. Compared to, oh yeah, it'll help to wash it first for sure. That to that, we're gonna get it all back to black. All that stuff. Yeah.
Bring the camo back.
Yeah. Then we're gonna take the wheels and tires off. Nah. So let me take you to the inside. It's got full kneecappers if you decide to fall out of it. Now we bypassed a couple things. Ryan left the key on. We bypassed a couple things here because it yeah, he's like you're trying. And the reason was, if you had it in gear without the seatbelt on, you'd get a nasty, it'd give you a talking to. It would do that. But just, it wouldn't beep though. It would just go constant. Oh, you got it to switch miles? 276 man. So we got her tuned up. We're gonna take her for a ride. There's a lot of buttons in it. Don't be touching none of them, all right?
No, I'm flipping switches, dog.
Yeah, tap, 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 tap. It's got a winch that works.
Are you putting it in reverse?
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. All right, sweet. Got the mirrors, got the dirty windscreen.
We got high beams.
Nice. We're going to switch y'all over to the old, we're going to switch y'all to the 360 cam. you get the Henry bark footage. We're gonna hook this up to the dog and y'all get his view. I guess you gotta break her to put her in reverse. Watch out, Henry. Oh yeah. Oh, the suspension right off the bat. It's pretty.
Real squeaky too.
Yeah, it's very squeaky. Hopefully it'll record this, but like they won't be able to see. Kind of shit. We're in 2x drive.
Yeah.
Let's feel the suspension, guys. Too bad. All right, same test we gave that Ranger yesterday. 4x. We're not even gonna lock. That's the brakes. We're not even gonna lock the depth, which is a nice option.
Yeah. It's nice of it.
Oh shit! The deer.
Watch out for your deer.
It will, but hear the difference?
Yeah.
Like the grunt and the belt slip and the clutch
That's
slip.
low too. That's a sad low.
It's a sad low.
Real sad.
Oh shit. We're flipping over.
Oh shit, dad. Give her a little lean.
Yeah. Oh man, she mashed it on that one. Alright, doing pretty good. So far so good. Alright, it's like this is more like what my daily commute's like. I need to know if they'll fit with my daily activities.
Yeah.
See if it'll go up this like the other one did. Oh, it's just way wider, huh? Open up it, old son. I forgot to tell all the viewers, hey, it's got loaded with skid plates and stuff like that. It's got hella skid plates, guys.
Yeah, the China skid plates.
Yeah. Got full skids on it. Alright. Everything makes it up this hill. Oh, there's the torque. I just did fucking romper earlier.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of rumble.
Nice.
Let's go two-wheel drive ski. Damn, won't get top speed run on the road, or are you afraid it'll fall apart?
Yeah.
Alright, so, I don't know if you guys can see. You want to hold the brake and the throttle, get it in the boost. This is high. Yeah, that other thing. Henry decided, you know what? Nah, y'all cool. I didn't even want to chase y'all. Alright, we'll see if he'll do this one. Because this is usually pretty. Dude, those go-karts made it. The hammerhead made it up this.
Yeah.
This could be a shame. We couldn't see the stop there, but it made it.
Yeah.
Oh, whip me in the back.
Got me in the back of the
Fucking
head.
mirrors get broken off.
Ah.
Got these Dodge tow mirrors on it, old son.
Yeah, yeah.
See, we're gonna try and go this way. Oh, she's tight. I'm committing.
Oh shit. Shit. The mirror, that's how you tell if you're close.
Yeah.
The mirror hits.
You're not all day, dude. This mirror will come and hit you in the teeth when you go too far.
Yeah.
Oh shit, for real? This is actually some off-roading right here.
Fucking maybe get up that hill right there. No.
Yeah, just flip it over. It's got the power to finish it out. Jump!
Yeah.
Shit, Steve! So it'll go up these little guys, though. Right high, though. It's just, so if you try and baby it doesn't really like make any power until like
Gotta get the food right in.
yeah, 5, shit.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how they chill motors on it.
More on this up. But I'll come in at like 4, because it's like barely chugging up at 4 green.
Yeah.
Watch. It loses. But if I'm romping, it's fine. It's just sad you gotta floor it.
Yeah.
It's pretty sad you gotta floor it. We're going this
Well, 500, I mean,
Yeah. It's a difference, like we were saying. It's just so much heavier than that fucking other one. Oh, we lost our tailgate. It's gone.
No. Yeah, I feel like 500 is just a little small for it.
It's a little stinky.
For a side by side.
Here, tell me if it's smoking back there. Oh, bro, it's just smoking.
There was like a smidge when you romped it.
Needed the detailing. Henry, where are we? Never been out puppy here. Nelly, come on. Henry, get her. Come on. Come on, Nelly. I didn't say nothing about bringing a damn stick back. Not with these gas prices. Let's go. Floorboarded it. Poor little puppy. Poor little puppy. Hold on now, shit. You're supposed to be wearing your seatbelt, see? We almost home, girl. They want to see you hit the throttle though when you're selling them something. Okay? Come on, Nelly, this way. Come on, come here. I appreciate you guys watching this Massimo video. We've got a cool custom mini truck build going on, guys. Get up in there. We should be ripping this thing real soon. The entire build's going on the channel. We're posting videos every week for all of February. Lots more coming up. Jump on to Tech Explorers. Give us a follow on there. Posting some fishing videos this week too. Appreciate y'all.